Select the pipe cleaning mode on the touch panel menu. Press the injection mode. Remove the water bottle from the unit. Fill bottle with cleaning solution, 1 liter of hydrogen peroxide 3%, and connect it to the unit. Press the next button. Set the toggle switches to on for pressured air and bottle for water supply. Check the bottle air pressure is between 1.5 to 2.0 bar and adjust if needed. Press the next button. Rotate the spittoon bowl 90 degrees and then remove the cup holder. Then place the dedicated clan cup holder. Remove the cleaning holder cover. Remove the 3-way syringe tips. Mount the 3-way syringe, air, electric and scalar handpieces to the following holder position. Press the next button. Press the Start Injection button to initiate the injection mode. The progress will be displayed in percentage on the button. Once the injection is finished, press the Complete button to return to the previous menu. Then turn off the power switch. Leave in overnight or 12 hours. After 12 hours, turn on the power and select the pipe cleaning mode again. Press the rinsing mode button. Set the toggle switches to off for pressured air and direct for water supply. Press the next button. Press the Start Rinsing button. Rinsing mode takes about 10 minutes. Once the rinsing is finished, press the Complete button to return to the previous menu, then return to the main menu. Reassemble the 3-way syringe, air, electric, and scalar handpieces back to their original positions. Remove the dedicated clan cup holder, and then place the cup holder. Close the cleaning holder cover. Rotate the spittoon bowl 90 degrees back to original position. Lastly, reassemble the unit case.